Today we will discuss about draft tube. First of all, what is the draft tube? Draft tube is a conical section, or we can say that it is a tapered cross section whose diameter is gradually increasing from inlet to outlet. The draft tube is a tapered section. So first of all, we have to clear the difference between the draft tube and the tapered cross section. Suppose this is any cross section, and this section is also tapered because its diameter is gradually changes from one end to another end. If this is the inlet section and this is the outlet section, then we can say that the diameter is gradually increasing from inlet to outlet. If we reverse it, means if this is the inlet section and this is the outlet section, in this section the diameter is gradually decreasing from inlet to outlet. This is the definition of the taper. But draft tube, मैंने पहले ही कहा है कि draft tube is also a taper cross section, but its diameter is gradually increases from inlet to outlet. Means this is called draft tube, while this is not a draft tube. This is not a draft tube. Okay, so let me start. Means draft tube is a tapered cross section whose diameter is gradually increases from one end to another end. It connects the outlet of the runner to the tail race. जैसे कि मैंने पिछले लेक्चर में भी आपको बताया था कि इन केस ऑफ द टरबाइन, मेनली इन केस ऑफ द रिएक्शंस टरबाइन, in impulse turbine such as in Pelton turbine, the total energy available at the inlet of the turbine is only kinetic energy, and when fluid strikes the turbine blades, means buckets, this energy is converted into useful work. And in the Pelton turbine or impulse turbine, the pressure at inlet and at outlet remains constant and equals to the atmospheric pressure, means no change in pressure. And in case of the impulse or Pelton turbine, there are only rotating blades. But in case of the radial flow reaction turbine, there are two sets of the blade. First one is the fixed blade and second one is the moving blade. In the reaction turbine, at the inlet, energy is available, some part of the kinetic energy and some part of the potential energy, means pressure energy. So first, when fluid strikes the fixed blade, its direction is changed and it strikes further moving blades. So in reaction turbine, there is a reaction, means this pressure energy is also converted into the kinetic energy. So at the outlet of the runner, water cannot rush outside through the runner. So to exit the water at the outlet of the runner, we use a draft tube, which is also used to increase the net head on the turbine. If net head of the turbine is increases, then the efficiency of the turbine is also increases. Next, there are some other purpose of the draft tube. Means first, it permits a negative head to be established at the outlet of the runner and thereby increasing the net head in the turbine. Means this is used in reaction turbine such as Francis turbine or Kaplan turbine. At the outlet of the turbine, it is connected. So this draft tube increases net head on the turbine. Second one is it converts a large portion of the kinetic energy rejected at the outlet of the turbine into useful pressure energy. जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि in case of the turbine draft tube, the cross section area is gradually increases. So at the inlet, kinetic energy is converted into the pressure energy. So it is also used to convert the large portion of the kinetic energy into pressure energy. Next, we discuss about types of the draft tube.